needs to hear this, but like, if it's stopping you from being who you want to be, there is always an alternative. $30. We're at the DMV. We're at the DMV. Well, you should have cut a water, but you didn't.
I could actually. His dad needed to study.
All right. Hello.
It's empty. You get right in there.
Yeah, that's what I said. He picked a good time. Go ahead. Thank you so much.
He's not with her at all, or sees her at all.
If I run it through my corporation, because I do need a trailer.
So if you don't have it, when it comes to worse, the test is good, you already took it. You're gonna duplicate from the town clerk's office, come back here like Monday or whenever you can, and we can process it.
It's at home, so we just bring it here Monday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go grab it.
We left it in this permit.
At
Oh,
the town clerk's office.
is it just pass or fail? All right. Thank you for your patience.
That's a good thing.
All right, give me that.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your patience. My soul passed. Congratulations.
Stupid. His first question was, what shape is this?
What? Oh, really? Is that stupid? What shape was it? Octagon? Oh, a circle?
Yes.
Hey friends, I'm stretching. You should be stretching on the floor too. Anyways, I have not had a professional photo shoot with my sons since like before I separated with my ex-husband. So like I think 2018, it's been 6 years. I can't pay them to listen to me. They hate pictures. I'm getting a taste of my own medicine because I hated taking pictures as a child. So the irony, my mom still doesn't understand how I love photography, but that's a story for another day. Yeah, we are going to our first photo shoot since I've been divorced. They just better fix their faces for this photographer. He's black, so I think that'll help. Hey, I'm so excited. You know what? Now that I think about it, it wasn't even the fact that I didn't like taking pictures. I did not like my smile. I had piranhas, y'all. Like, if you know me, when I laughed, I used to be like... And then, you know, I turned 29 and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get some motherfucking braces. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but like... if it's stopping you from being who you want to be... there is always an alternative, and that's how I get by in life. I don't believe in dead ends. That's why I love my brain so much, because some people can't see the glass as half full. Mine is never half full. Mine is full every time I wake up. I don't know what y'all fucking talking about over there, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, it's horrible. Life is lifing. Is this shit for the week? Nah.
Bro, I got too much game.
my bike, and it's still working. Is that a bad thing?
No. What do you look like?
Oh, what's that? Your brother's name?
What can I get for you?
Did you guys have fun?
Did you answer the ETA?
I got rid of it.
Yeah, the new one for 712.
Oh. I can't wait to go to sleep.
You stop, man.
That was so much fun. I'm proud of myself for having the courage to ask him about coming to our event. Me and Brax's event. If he's free. He said he doesn't really do pictures on like the weekends. And to interview him, he said he would allow me to too. I want to start interviewing businesses. I want to be the next Oprah.
Like singing?
Huh? Oprah?
Doesn't she sing?
No, that's a form of singing. Opera. Please tell me you know who Oprah is.
Who's Oprah? I thought Oprah Winfrey sung.
She might sing in musicals. I don't think she's sing.
I thought she's like the famous singer.
Oprah or Adele?
Like the one that goes like, ah.
That's a form of singing. Oprah, probably the richest black female in the world.
Nah.
Yes.
Come on.
She's a billionaire for sure.
Stupid.
Nigga.
Unbelievable. Dang, we in the hood, cause what? Oh my, boy.
You turning Stevie off already?
That's some bum boy.
Wait, how do you know we in the hood?
You finna see when we go to that window if you can see what I see. Oh, sweet home. Oh, it's freaking cold. Still haven't named him. Maybe he'll be Noah instead of Nicholas. Home sweet home. We are home. My arms are so big. Gotta brush my teeth, put my robe on, and go to bed. Today was fun. It was fun. I'm grateful we made it home safely. I need 8 hours of sleep. I need to go to bed at 9. I know my phone hates me. I got some tea. Get to slow down. It's 8:25. Is it? An hour before I'm going to bed, and I am going to bed at 9 because these bags is really bagging, and I need sleep and hydration, and sleep and hydration. But if you guys made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you clicking on the video and making it this far. The goal is to make videos throughout the week, and I'm very proud of myself for keeping promises to myself. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Found it? You must be in my room then. You brushed your teeth?
Yeah.
Recently?
Yeah, like yesterday.
Yeah, like yesterday.
Last night.
Thanks for clicking on this video if you made it this far. Drinking this tea and I'm about to wind down. Yay, fun times.
Ready? Ready, was it?
Ready, was it?
Ready, was it?
I'll see you guys next time. Good night. Good night. Good night. All right, friends, I'm going to bed. Thank you for clicking on this video and making it this far. Until next time, in between time. It's like somebody else says that. I can't say that. But if you made it this far, I really you. I see you. Leave a comment. Ask any questions you want. I think what I'm going to talk about next is my birth control experience. I have been off of birth control for 3 years, since 2021. And I really want to talk about that. Something's telling me I need to talk about that. So we're going to talk about that. I need to talk about putting these retainers on because his teeth is getting crooked again. Your teeth is getting crooked. Stop playing with your teeth. You know how ashy my face is after washing it. You know you raggedy. And you know what, Ann? Okay, I gotta go. Bye.